in the song Ngai Marie Nzoto Ebeba is actually a married, it's actually a single lady. And so the single lady complains, actually she calls herself Marie. She complains that married women around the plot where she stays are saying that she's, luring their husbands into having relationships with her. But for her, she says, no, it is your husbands who come and knock my door. It is your husbands, it is your restless husbands who have been looking for me and disturbing me. But because I'm a poor lady, because I don't have a job, how am I supposed to resist when those women, those men of yours are handsome, but they're also they're not principled. If they're the ones coming to me, then what am I supposed to do? So that is with the song Ngai Marie Nzoto Ebeba. So that's how it starts. Then it says Likambo lizui ndemoto. Problems get men. It's people who get issues, who get problems. Problems happen to people. Likambo yangai bandeko ekomi silikani. But my issue has become a very sad issue, really, if you will. Ngai Marie Nzoto Ebeba. You know what? People have spoiled my name. People have spoiled my name in this estate, and I no longer have a good name. That's why I'm saying Ngai Marie Nzoto Ebeba. Kobeba is to spoil. But now, in this case, she's saying that her name has actually been spoiled within the estates. But why? Nakolobanini bandeko. What can I really say? Boko kiko sana, you can do, Nani akokote langa bandeko? Who will intervene for me? Who will plead out my case for me? Nazali na kamarade. I don't have friends. But why? Bangonyo so bambanda. The people I call my friends are all my enemies. So mbanda, and it depends on the context. Mbanda is an enemy, but mbanda is also a co-wife or co-partner, for that matter. If the two of you are sharing the same partner, then the other person you are sharing that with is called mbanda. Now that is Franco Lombo Luanzo Makedi. Likambo lizui ndemoto. Problems get people. Likambo anga ekomi silikani. That mine is extremely annoying, actually. Ngai Marie Nzoto Ebeba. I no longer have a good name in our place. Nakolobani, what do I say? Boko kiko sala. Do whatever you can do. Nani akokote langa bandeko? Who will come to my rescue? Who will come and intervene on my behalf? Oh, Najalina Kamarade, I don't have a friend. Bangonyoso Bambanda. All of them are my enemies. All of them are my co-wives. All of them are my rivals. Huh? Ngai Marie, I Marie. Navanda kananda konanga. I stay in my house. Mibali nabino, your husband, sir. Bakoyaka kobenga ngai. They come to call me. They come to do in my house, and Natalie Konga Monzeba, but I see myself, I'm single, I'm not married. Mbongo ya kolata te, sina pesa ya kuvaa. I don't have money to buy clothes. Mobali mpeki toko mobobe, and your husband is handsome, but also not principled. So mobobe is ill-mannered, not principled. So your husband is handsome, but also because he does not have manners. He does not have a stand. That's why he's coming to me. Otherwise, he would have stayed with you there. So, how can I leave him? He's handsome. He's actually come to me himself. How can I leave him? Huh? 40 kobo ko pesa kanga. The fault, the blame that you give me, Bopesa kamibali na bino. Give it to your husbands. Please blame your husbands. Do not blame me at all. Baebi kenga mozemba. They know that I am single. Batika koyaka kanabutu. They should stop coming at night. Kobetela. They know that I'm single, okay? So please tell your husbands to stop coming to knock my house. They come at night, in the midnight, when you girls are sleeping. They come and knock my door, because they know very well that I am a single woman. And because life is a bit tough here. How do I dress? How do I do all these things? I'm looking for such men. But the way you people blame me, that fault, please give it to your husbands. They're the ones who come to knock my door. I'm single. I don't come for them. So that is in short what Ngai Marie Nzoto Ebeba, done by OK Jazz, and Varkis Kamangwana Mateta was doing the sax in the song.